So we want to continue today with subject to the formula involving terms within brackets. So here we want to make x the subject to the formula, and we have x here and here, right? Two different terms. So the first thing we want to do in this case is expand our brackets. When we do that, we get y times x, which is xy. Want to put terms in alphabetical order, and then y times z, which is yz. On the right hand side, 3z multiplied by x will give us 3xz, and 3z multiplied by y will give us 3yz. We now have two terms that contain the term x. We have this and this. Both of these terms contain x. So we want to move rearranging equation such that all the terms with x are on one side, all the terms without x are on the other side. So we're going to move this across here, and we're going to move this back here. Now that we've rearranged our terms, we have on the left hand side xy minus 3xz, and on the right side we have 3yz minus yz. And it's important to recognize that this is 1yz, and the right hand side can be simplified. 3 minus 1 will be 2yz. And this is the importance of placing the terms in alphabetical order. Makes it easy to recognize situations where the equation can be simplified. Now on the left hand side, we want to factorize. So after factorizing, we will have, x brackets y minus 3z, close brackets. Now we want to move this term that does not contain x to the other side, and we will have 2yz divided by y minus 3z, and that's our answer. So here we have another question. Y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Again, we want to make x the subject to the formula. We recognize that we have x within two terms. So the first thing we need to do, one way we can approach this is firstly remove this by the denominator by transferring it to the left hand side. So divide by x minus 1 becomes multiplied by x minus 1. And now we remain with x plus 1 on the right hand side. We then expand the brackets. Yx minus y is equal to x plus 1. Right? Now we rearrange. So we put all the x terms on one side. So we're going to move this to the left, this to the right. So it becomes yx minus x. So this is plus x. We move plus x to the left, we get minus x, is equal to 1 plus y. So just to quickly recap, we moved minus y to the right, we ended up with plus y, and then we moved plus x to the left, we end up with minus x. So that was our rearrangement. Now on the left hand side, we want to factorize. We have x, and in brackets y minus 1 is equal to 1 plus y, and then we move this term not containing x to the right hand side. Multiply by y minus 1 becomes divide by y minus 1. So let's do one more question. We have y is equal to 2x plus 7 divided by x plus 1. We have x in two places, in the numerator and the denominator. What we want to do is take the denominator and move it to the other side. When we do that, we will get y multiplied by x plus 1. So divide by x plus 1 becomes multiply by x plus 1. And that is equal to 2x plus 7. So this is our first change. We moved divide by x plus 1 to the other side, became multiply by x plus 1. We next want to expand the bracket. So we get xy plus y is equal to 2x plus 7. Then we want to rearrange terms. We want all terms that contain x on one side of the equation. And all terms that do not contain x, we want those on the other side of the equation. Now that we've rearranged the equation, so what happened? We moved 2x to the left. We also moved y to the right. Plus y became minus y. Plus 2x became minus 2x. Now we're going to factorize. So it becomes x, y minus 2 is equal to 7 minus y. And again, we're going to rearrange. We're going to move y minus 2 multiplied by y minus 2 to the other side, which will become divide by y minus 2. And that's our answer.